In my last couple of videos, I've talked about the components of your insurance premium, and that was expenses, loss costs, and profit for the insurance company. They take those three things, add them up, and they charge you a premium to transfer the risk from your operation to the insurance contract. Now, what I want to talk about is total cost of risk. And total cost of risk is the concept that there's more than just your insurance premium that is your cost of risk. There's a couple of different things. So let's talk about this total cost of risk. And total cost of risk is more, like I said, than just what you pay an insurance carrier in premium. So that is part of your total cost of risk because that's your risk transfer vehicle. And again, this is going to be a high-level overview of total cost of risk, and I'm going to follow this up. We're not going to talk about premium anymore. I already did that. But there's some other things. For example, another thing you've got is retained risks. So the cost of retained risks is the risk that your organization does not transfer to an insurance company. So this would be uninsured risk, uninsured risks, threats to your company that you either can't insure or you choose not to insure. Then there's self-insured retention, a little bit different. That'd be like deductibles and stuff. So that would be, an example would be a real estate organization that may have, 15 buildings worth, hundreds of millions of dollars, let's say, and any one year, let's say an aggregate deductible, they can take up to, say, $500,000 of property damage before they want their insurance to kick in. That $500,000 will be a self-insured retention. And then another thing that is included in the total cost of risks is going to be the soft costs of claims. And we'll talk about that in a little bit more detail too, but that's like considering if the vehicle's in an accident, it's going to be in the shop for 2 weeks, it's not out making you money or servicing your clients, and there's costs associated with that. So again, when we work with a prospective client or existing clients, when we work in the insurance industry, we're not just talking about this one thing. We are going over an entire analysis of your total cost of risk. We're looking at what you might be retaining that you didn't know you retained it. You know what I mean? You have uninsured risks that you didn't realize were uninsured. We talk about strategies for self-insured retention that may lower your cash flow outflow, your cash outlay for risk. And we talk about these soft costs of claims, how we can reduce those. And again, look for my future videos here are going to be discussing these topics surrounding total cost of risk. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon.